What is up, everybody? I have not got any notification about my wheel adapters for these bad boys. So I can't sleep. It's 11 something. Can't sleep. Go to work tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up no matter what. But I gotta get this thing done. I can't wait another day out of work, not knowing when I'm gonna come back. And if I come back late, I'm still want to do it anyways. But I got some good rest today, good sleep when I came home. I had the baby sleeping on my chest like she did when she was like a little baby when she was scrunched up. Uh, I let her lay on me, and I had her next to me. She's a little sick right now, so she's been, running nose all day and cranky and crying. Um, I love that little girl. Anyhow, so I haven't heard from them, but they're still sitting here. Garage is still kind of sort of a mess, but I did manage to replace the hinge off the passenger side. As you can tell, the roller here, and they do sell a kit because I was trying to see if it was easier to replace the pins or the whole hinge. And in terms of, I don't know, I guess it could be one or the other. But in terms of easeability, I want to say it's a little bit easier replacing the whole hinge, and it's a little bit harder replacing the pins. Now, the only benefit to the pins, well, actually, I take that back. You need to remove the whole thing to change out the pins. Yeah, changing out the pins is too much work. Plus, it doesn't come with this roller bearing and pin here. So, anyways, I had looked into it. I bought new door hinges. This is the driver's side. I already got the passenger side on. You can see that roller is brand spanking new. So I'm gonna add some grease to the one I just put on after I get it all aligned. But yeah, it's new. It's galvanized, corrosion resistant. And hold on, I'm looking at the pins here, making sure. Oh yeah, I guess that's right. Anyhow, so yeah, I got the passenger side on. However, I need to align it because it's not. And actually, before I go out there, I need some mosquito spray to spray on myself because there's fucking bunch of mosquitoes out, and I hate them with a passion. And luckily, my boy Fernando got me some mosquito spray, so I'm gonna use it right now. And I'm going to use that outside because I'm going to spray a lot. I'm taking a late shower tonight. And, yeah. So, just, what did I say, y'all? Just wait for me right there, guys. Y'all can tell how much I hate editing videos. I don't like to do it if I don't have to, so I'm really just trying to make this one whole shot. Oh, I sprayed a lot, but I'm good now. Them skeeters ain't gonna get me now. Alright, guys, so y'all are going to watch me get this done. At least the passenger side. The driver side is a whole different story, but I will quickly mention it. That way you don't have to search for it. The only difference from this side, well, actually, let me backtrack. This side's easier because the only thing you have to take off is the glove compartment here. You can access it. You kind of have to rip a piece of rubber liner to get to it with a socket. I can't really show you because it's so far in there and it's in you can't really see it. Anyhow, it's easier. That side you have to remove the bracket from the for the parking brake in order to get to the bolt that's in question. Anyways, this video is not really a how-to. I just wanted to kind of briefly mention that there's tons of videos out there that you can find that will help you.